My name is Liz. The name of this channel is Nothing But Bags. I call this channel Nothing But Bags because whenever I'm getting ready to go somewhere, do something, I could care less about what I'm wearing. I am focused on what bag am I carrying. For me, my handbag is the main event. My outfit is the accessory. If this is your first time clicking on my video, thank you so much for clicking this video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you're one of my returning friends, you know how I feel about you. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I'm filming from a different area, as you can see, because I'm traveling on business, and this bag that we're about to talk about today came in the mail I'm filming this on a Thursday. It came in the mail on a Tuesday. And so I knew I was traveling out of town. I knew that I was going to be by myself for a little bit. My wife is actually coming to hang out with me for the weekend, but I knew I was going to be by myself for a couple of days, and I was like, well, I'm going to have a chance to look over my bag, and then I can film a video and talk to you all about my bag. So that's what this video is. I'm going to insert right now the footage of me unboxing the bag, and then when that filming is complete, we'll come back and we'll talk about it. So that was the unboxing of the bag that I just stuck in there. I did a video a few days ago. This is my bag. I did a filming a few days ago, and I was revealing or unbagging my new Coach Rogue, and I explained in the first 2 minutes of the video, I explained that I was about to start talking because I had some things I wanted to say. This place called Nothing But Bags. It ain't called nothing but viewers. I don't mean no harm, but this is called Nothing But Bags. I'm the one that comes up with the name of the videos. I'm the one that come up with the thumbnails. I'm the one that comes up with the theme of the channel. I'm the one that tells y'all what I'm going to talk about. So somebody decided to drop down in my comment section and go and make a little smart mouth comment to me about the fact that it took me 10 minutes to reveal the bag. Well, I put a timestamp in the first 2 minutes of the video saying I'm about to run my mouth. If you just want to see what I unveil, go on fast forward to that spot. So in other words, you obviously, I hope you didn't waste 10 minutes and you paid attention to the instructions and fast forwarded to the place where the reveal was. But I wasted your time looking at the timestamp and fast forward to the bag, and then wasted more of your time when you had to drop down and leave a comment on my video complaining to me that I told you it was going to take me 10 minutes to get to the unveiling of the bag. But anyway, so that's why I went on ahead and showed y'all in the first few minutes the bag, because I'm about to run my mouth now. So Monday I posted on my community wall that I had a really, really rough day. I'm not going to regurgitate it because I put it on a community wall, and most of you that are watching me watch me and support me, so you already saw the post on the community wall. But secondly, because I don't want to give it any more power what I went through. Just got my feelings hurt, nothing major. You know, I think all of us go through life and interact with people, unfortunately, and sometimes our feelings get hurt. It was just one of those things. But this purchase was retail therapy. I don't know nothing more absorbent to wipe your tears away than a Coach receipt. I ain't nothing in the world. There's nothing better than to walk around with a bag to carry your tears. Nothing at all. I was not checking for this bag. I knew that my girl, the Hopeful Minimalist, look at this bag. The Hopeful Minimalist has 85,212 chalk bags from YSL to Louis Vuitton to Coach. I knew she was gonna get this bag. I knew that my girl Forever Ebony was gonna get the bag, not in chalk, but I knew she was gonna get a version of the bag because this is just Ebony's aesthetic. This quilting, this soft Napa leather, this very sophisticated hardware. I knew she was gonna get the bag. I wasn't checking for this bag, but my essay that I got my Rogue from sent me a text message on Sunday and sent me some pictures of the Times Square Tabby, which is what this bag is. And this is in the smaller size. This bag comes, I think, in 3 sizes. I have the small size, and I don't know the number size, but this one is $3.95. I think the next size is $4.95, and the big one is $5.95. If I'm incorrect, it'll be corrected somewhere on the screen by now. And so she sent pictures on Sunday, and I'm like, I'm not really checking for the bag. And I told her, you know, I see the bag is very pretty, but I don't know what color I would want in that bag. So right now my collection is at a point where I have every color of the rainbow. I have a lot of neutrals, I have browns, I have blacks. The handbag is covered. My handbag collection is covered. So if I'm going to buy another bag, I really have to be very intentional about the next bag I buy, because if I buy another bag that I already kind of have in my collection, I'll be making one of my bags obsolete. And so I didn't see the red was beautiful, the green, the blue. The blue is gorgeous. Rich gemstone kind of colors. Like the blue looks like a, oh, I said the blue looks like, but the red looks like a sapphire, like a stone. They look like gemstone colors. But as far as my light color bags, I only have my white Chanel vanity case. I have a chalk flower shaped Kate Spade bag, and I have my chalk Poland bag. All 4 bags are very, very different in their fabrication and in their aesthetic. The toiletry, the vanity case from Chanel is really not a crossbody bag because of its rectangular cardboard feeling shape. So it's not a crossbody bag. I really have to kind of carry it as a tote handle. The Kate Spade bag is a micro bag. It's this big. So I can't get a heck of a lot in it. And the Poland bag is more of a, to me, a casual bag. It's not really a dressy, elevated bag. It's more casual. And it's a pebble grain leather. But I didn't have anything that was like this kind of Napa leather, which is what this is made of. I didn't have anything like this that I can wear as a crossbody bag that's more elevated to me. This bag to me is pretty elevated in its look and design. And so the hardware on it, this brass hardware, is so elevated and classy looking. The back of it has a magnetic closure with a textile lining in there. You open it up like this. It's got a snap closure. Inside it says right here, genuine Napa leather. It's got 2 little rings on either end that you hook the strap to. Of course, it comes with the standard Coach tag. Inside it's got this front compartment here that's a little larger, a smaller compartment here that's very thin, and it has a zip compartment that is extremely thin, that you could probably just get paperwork, receipts in or something. That's what I have in there is my paperwork. The zipper pull on here does say Coach. I doubt that you can see that, but it does say Coach right there. And it comes with 2 straps. If you haven't already seen it, it comes with a shoulder strap that has this gold chain on the end with that leather intertwined in it, which is very elevated looking. And it comes with a crossbody strap as well. It looks adorable as a crossbody, absolutely adorable as a crossbody. In terms of what can fit in this, as I said, this is the $3.95 version. I'm filming on my phone, so my phone case fits in there. My little dress up your purse pouch I showed y'all in another video that houses my wipes in it. Very thin, you can't get much of that in there. It fits in that front compartment as well. So you got my phone and my pouch in there. And then in that back pocket, I'm gonna use for reference right now my Louis Vuitton Recto Versa wallet, simply because I didn't want to bring a bunch of wallets with me on vacation, and not on vacation, on this trip. It's not a vacation, but that's my wallet back there. And I did not purchase the card case to this one because, again, this was a I am crying. I'm feeling sorry for myself, so I'm gonna buy myself something to make myself feel better. Purchase. It was not planned for. So that's all of that in there. I think I can stick by my wallet. I can stick a lipstick. No, I can't stick a lipstick in there. I can put lipstick on the top there. I can stick my chapstick in there though, on the side, and my AirPods. I would just plop that right there, and that's everything that's in the bag. So the bag is full, but it closes with no problem, and there's no opening of this top where anything could fall out, type of thing. Beautiful, beautiful bag, y'all. Beautiful bag. It does not sit flat on its butt. It's gonna fall forward, it's not gonna sit flat on its butt. So if you think about if you are someone like me that puts your bags up for display, you have to figure out a way to stand this up, because it doesn't. Well, it does. But now it's got something in it. It does kind of sit, but it leans forward a little bit. Leans forward just a little bit. But this bag is absolutely beautiful. Very classy, very stylish. And like I said, it was not a bag that I was checking for. I wasn't gonna get this, but Monday I needed something to make me feel better. And so I told my SA in St. Louis, she's the one to text me. I said, just go on, send it, girl. Send me the bag. I just send the cheapest one you got. Send this bag to me. I said, don't put no card case with it. But I was able to find a chalk card case on Coach Outlet. It wasn't the one I really would love, but it was available. It was like $27 on the Coach Outlet. It was on sale. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bag. It's so well made. It's so pretty, y'all. But this comes in several colors. Like I said, I think it comes in a dark, rich dark blue color. Again, if you're trying to kind of see what colors these come in, I would say if you're looking at gemstones, to me, it puts me in the mindset of gemstone colors. But anyway, like I said, I ordered this because I needed some retail therapy on Monday. I needed something to make me feel better. Was not checking for this bag, but I'm so glad I got it because it's a beautiful bag. When you see it in person, it's absolutely gorgeous. And I do like that the way it's designed, it doesn't have a huge opening here where your stuff can come out. That's something I don't like about bags. So even though this is pretty full, it doesn't open up at the top. And again, I got a card holder for it, so it'll be thinner than my Recto Versa wallet that's in it now. So it wouldn't be quite as full. But it's not a bag you're gonna be able to put everything in. My iPhone, for reference, is a 13. It's not something you're gonna be able to put every single thing in. But if you go up in size, it of course gives you more options on how much the bag will house. Anyway, just want to share my new bag with y'all. Pray my strength that I don't purchase nothing else. I don't need nothing else. I need the bag I can hold in my hand. But if you're considering the Coach Times Square Tabby, I would say consider no further. Pick the color you want, place the order, put it in cart. It is a beautiful bag. You will not regret purchasing this bag. I promise you won't. Anyway, that's all I have for you. The only other thing that I'll ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful day.